Color plays a crucial role in branding. It influences emotions, shapes perceptions, and makes a brand memorable. Choosing the right color is not just about aesthetics, it's about sending the right message to your audience. Here's how to select the best color for your brand. Understand color psychology. Colors trigger emotions and affect consumer behavior. Each color carries a meaning. Red evokes passion, energy, and urgency. It's great for brands that want to grab attention. Blue represents trust, stability, and professionalism. It's popular among tech and finance companies. Yellow conveys optimism, warmth, and happiness. Colors trigger emotions, consumer behavior. Each color meaning. Red, passion, energy, urgency. Blue, trust, stability, professionalism. Yellow, optimism, warmth, happiness. It's ideal for brands that want to appear friendly and approachable. Green symbolizes nature, health, and growth. It's commonly used by eco-friendly and wellness brands. Black exudes luxury, sophistication, and power. It works well for high-end and minimalist brands. White represents simplicity, cleanliness, and modernity. It's often used in healthcare and tech branding. Identify your brand personality. Your brand's personality should guide your color choice. Ask yourself, is my brand playful or serious? Do I want my brand to be seen as bold or subtle? Should my brand feel luxurious or affordable? A fun, energetic brand may benefit from bright colors like orange or pink. A corporate brand may lean towards blue or gray for a professional look. Consider your target audience. Different colors appeal to different demographics. Younger audiences are drawn to bright and bold colors. Older audiences may prefer muted and classic tones. Cultural associations with colors vary. In some cultures, red symbolizes luck, while in others, it represents danger. Research your audience and choose colors that resonate with them. Study your competitors. Look at the colors used by competitors in your industry. Consistency is key to making your brand recognizable. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.